Warning, this effect should not be performed by, nor should it be performed to, anyone under the age of 18. Be careful when you perform this and perform it at your own risk. Basically, don't be a fucking creep. Hi everyone, it's me Luke from MJMMagic Store and I'm here to tell you about our new effect, Climax.
Got a condom! Yeah, I reuse them, so I washed them.
Oh
yeah.
Now this is an over 18s effect and there is definitely a time and a place for it. You're not going to be doing this at your kids' parties. Climax is a gimmick with a condom which allows you to do a number of effects. The main one being the restoring condom trick, which is pretty foul to be honest, but it's a very funny trick. The other trick you can do is you can take a condom and it retracts itself back onto your... You know what?
Touch the condom, bro. I'll give you some Here Come on, big boy.
And finally, you can snort a condom directly up your nose. There's three really fun effects that you can do with the Climax gimmick. Climax can be used in a variety of different places. For example, if you're having drinks with a few mates and you want to show them a little funny trick, or maybe there's an audience member who's being a little bit too difficult and you just want to catch them out on something, you could pull the condom out of their pocket and then restore it. And of course, this effect looks fantastic on stage shows, comedy clubs, and those kind of events. Let's be honest, you're not going to do this everywhere, but for the right moment, this is the perfect bit of business for you. Get Climax right now from MJMMagic Store or your favorite magic shop.